Hi, this is Amy, come from the Chertino.com napkin store. And today I will show you how to use this dark background to decoupage on the wood tooth box. You can use some like sandpaper and just sand it, let the color easily go in. And at first, every time people ask me, I need to put a black background, I say, no, you never put a dark background. And because the napkin is semi-transparent, so you need to put the light background first, something like a white or some like a very light background, don't interrupt. Okay, let's see, this is ready and the color is dry. Now we start doing the decoupage and we prepare the napkin and check everything is smooth already. And you need to prepare nicely and surface flat is better for this paper napkin because you need glue. And paper napkin, you just need to use a top image printing that layer. Normally, a good quality napkin, they have 3 layers. So you just need to use the top, okay? And the design is depends on what you like it, what's your favorite. And check all the layout, and you can put different layout with, and make sure it's smooth enough, and you don't need to cut it, and you can use your the hands to tear off. But some people still love cut it, and I like to just use the hand to tear off. About the edge, I like to tear off, and I don't like the straight edge. See, let's see this one. There have 3. In my store, they always have 3 layers napkins, so you can see it, and only one layer is printed. About glue, I use the Modpodge, and sometimes I use the Elmer glue and with the water and then 50 by 50 and put together. You can make some quite pretty glue. So you can try it, and if you need some like a skill, it lets me know. When you start to do this glue steps, you need to make sure where you want to put and with the napkins layout. And also you need to make sure which way you want to go. And I suggest you use one way to go. So beginning, I reply a little bit, very tiny little bit glue or Modpodge. Let the surface not too much, and just a little bit, and make sure it's glue. And then I start from the any corner or any like a side. I like to start from the side and brush one way and put down, like make sure your paper is there. And sometimes you want to readjust it. You can read. So now is press down and push one way, and don't get every time too much glue because too much glue is very wet, and the wet can smash the napkin. So that's why a lot of friends talking about this. Say, your napkin too easy to smash as you got to practice. And I like use a brush just right. Don't too small brush, just like like a big brush, easily to go one brush by one brush, let the bubble all out, and don't too much. Yeah, control that. The need to really need a practice when I beginning start to decoupage, oh, I smash all the napkins, but you got to really practice a little bit. And most of the things is like a one step by one step, brush by brush. You make sure the bubble come out and glue nicely. That's it. And once the paste on, everything's ready, and you let them dry. And once you say when you paste on, everything is ready, and then there have some like a corner, you feel like it's very rough. But don't worry about that because later you need use black color or some kind of color match with. And I normally use the black to match or make the similar color. If you really cannot make a similar color, and you can always use something like a pattern, use something like some kind of a thicker gold or something to cover it. So decorate. And now it's the finished work, almost finished, so because I need the gold color to running this edge and do some decoration. And I always like to use the gold color to decorate with napkin, the edge feel like a very vintage and something just like that. I just like it. And today all the napkin I show you and in this video is available in the charitino.com, and you can come to visit us, and we sell single napkin. Today all the napkins I show in this video is a food sift. It's good for events, party on the table. And thank you for watching today.